Okay. Didn't expect this along here. It's nice to see this side of China. It's a little bit intimidating. Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Xiamen in China. And we're starting today at the beach on this very overcast, cloudy day.
Possibly the most crazy beach I've ever been to.
Oh my god, it's so busy. We literally just got a taxi down here from our hotel. This is our second full day here. Go back and watch our latest video when we explored the walking street, tried some great food, and just had like our fantastic first day of...
our first experience of Golden Week as well.
Oh yeah, Golden Week. That's probably why this is really busy. Look at this beach. Look how busy. That's not even the busiest part. I think it's more busy right there, look. Whoa. And they've also got like bikes. You can like hire bikes in the middle. They had like these pedalo things. There was like a family of 4 of them. They look so cool. I think that should be me and Ben on it. Oh, this looks so cool.
Like this road, this is obviously like the promenade. So it's really busy, people walking along there. But you got to watch out because there's like scooters going down, there's bikes. Like,
there's everything.
What do you call them?
Pedalos. I don't know, that's something that goes in the water, isn't it?
No, what they...
I don't know.
Them trike things.
We literally got like palm trees here. So you've got like the tropical feel. But it looks like there's loads of families down here with their kids. You can buy like bucket and spades. Look at it all. And it's not even like a sunny day. They're not down here in their bikinis and swimsuits. They're in like nice outfits.
Just enjoying them.
Yeah, it's lovely to see. And you've got like the looky people selling sunglasses and all that. You can get yourself coconuts, hats. Look at all these little stores. Is that ice cream? I think we've got like ice cream there. You keep going to like the end of the beach and you come to loads of stores. Look at these. This is my type of thing.
That's what you like, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got bracelets. Hello. Everyone's so nice here. Loads of skewers. Smells well nice, doesn't it? We're down a little rave there. Dumplings, coconuts. Very noisy. Look at kebab then. Oh god, that looks so good. Noodles. Didn't expect this along here.
This is like the most crazy beach I've ever been to. This is not just a beach, this is an experience, isn't it?
It's not like loads of alcohol either. Well, there's no alcohol.
There's no alcohol, I haven't seen anything.
Yeah, normally like the beach can turn a bit rowdy in some countries and like a party area. This is more like a family area.
You're living on the moment.
More skewers, massive mangoes, so much to choose from. Oh, and then there's like an inside bit where you can sit down. Everyone seems to be going down here, so we're just following. Not sure where this is going to lead.
Well, you've got restricted access and a barbed wire, so...
Oh.
Always means there's something good in there.
Yeah, I can hear like birds in there. I wonder if there's like animals in there.
I think there's going to be something like historic here, up here.
Do you think?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be a view of the water. Hello. Ni hao. It's like a viewing platform, I think. Oh, it's a bit wet up here, so it's obviously been splashing up here. Wow. So you can see all the ferries coming in. I wonder what them 2 towers are up there. You can see the beach. It's only like a tiny little beach. Oh, Ben's gone off and left me. Hi. Hi. New bit English. Just walked off and left me.
Sorry, they were taking pictures, didn't want to stand in the way.
She said hi to me. I'm a bit worried we're going to get wet. This floor's all wet, so I'm guessing it's been splashing up here. And I don't want to spend the rest of the day soaking wet.
This is really cool though. Like Xiamen, like obviously is an island, but a lot of it's like they have like bridges connecting loads of it. And we had to go over like a bridge earlier in the taxi. So it's quite, although it's an island, it's quite a cool island.
How much?
How much?
How much?
Language issue here, she's going to show us.
There we go, she's going to show us. That's 30.
30? 3 quid.
Should we get one?
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got the change.
Yeah, go on then. 谢谢。谢谢。Happy?
Yeah, got like pearl bracelet.
So that was 30 yarn. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm really chuffed with
happy?
it. Yeah.
Good.
I love that they always find a way to communicate.
Yeah, yeah. That's, all you got to do is show the money, aren't you?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, look. We've had them before.
Yeah, we have.
Like a street market.
We had. I'll tell you what.
Malaysia?
No, Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah, we've tried these. Yeah, we've definitely had them in Indonesia. This is really long, this pier, isn't it?
Can even buy some Crocs. Look. We've come to like another little beach. It's like a tiny bit. Kids are like running there playing. Oh god, look at the massive wave. They've all got like trainers and that on. It's nice to see this side of China. There's so much more to like the big cities. All everyone knows it as is Beijing, Shanghai, and then you've got these beautiful beach cities. And it shows you how family orientated. Like they're all down here, not even like a nice day, down here playing. All the parents are like
family
watching
time.
them, running in and out of the water. It was very nice.
I said to your mum about where we were going. I said it was near the beach. I showed her a picture. I said the beach and stuff. She went, well, I've never seen China like that. I didn't know China was like beaches and stuff. I just thought it was big cities. So yeah, there is beaches.
We've come to like a dead end. I think we're gonna walk back. We're back where all the food markets are. Ben wants to get some like seafood to try. We're next to the beach, so
seafood, eat food.
You've got to try some. Supposedly the seafood's meant to be amazing out here. I'm gonna try it, but I'm not a fan of seafood, but I might like it. So we've got a skewer of loads of octopus legs. Is that what you call them?
Yeah.
I'm not sure how I feel about this. As I said, I don't really like seafood. He cooked it on like a flat top with loads of oil, seasoning. I think it was like Chinese five spice. He also asked us if we wanted like some spicy stuff, and then he put some like glaze on it. I think it's gonna be full of so much flavour. Let's go in and eat it. It looks a little bit like pork, a little bit like crispy pork. Okay. It's actually not that bad. Oh, that season's amazing. It's like a Chinese five spice. Got like a little bit of head. It's really chewy though. It does remind me of pork a bit. It doesn't taste fishy at all. I see why everyone's eating it now. It has got like a lot of flavour, and it's got like a little bit of a crisp on the outside where it's like cooked on the oil and crisped up.
So I've already tasted it. This is our second go at it. Because I'm so bad at explaining food. Reanne was like fuming. I was like, you don't even like fish. She was like, go on, I'll try it. And there she is. And she's enjoying it. Look, she's eating again.
Reminds me of pork belly.
Yeah. The actual texture's like pork. If you've ate like octopus before, you know.
Can't come to the beach and not actually go on the beach. So we've come down to the sand. I'm already regretting my choice. I've rolled my trousers up. Because if I get them dirty, I'm screwed, because I won't be able to clean them for ages. And I won't be able to wear them. The kids are just like digging big holes everywhere you walk. There's just holes in the sand. Look, everywhere, the kids are just digging. It's a lovely beach. It's like the perfect weather to be down here. And especially Chinese people don't like to tan, so it's probably like popular at this time of the year, I can imagine. How was your stick?
Yeah, spicy.
Was it? Was it chewy? I couldn't get it off the like out of the tentacle bit. I was like pulling it out.
Yeah, it's chewy.
I can't remember if we mentioned, but that was 25 yuan for it. I guess it's like a delicacy. Can't say the words, but I'm guessing that's why it's like quite
you have a
pricey.
problem with words today.
Yeah, I couldn't say flavoursome.
Flavoursome.
Oh, I did it.
Delicacy.
Which out the water? We've seen these people getting these like fruit, so I think we're gonna get one to try.
One. Yeah.
来买拖鞋，买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。好，主题给人买个吧。海参果。来买拖鞋，买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。来买拖鞋，买沙滩玩具，买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。来买拖鞋，买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。来买拖鞋，买沙滩玩具，买坐垫。就10块。
So that was 10 yuan.
10 yuan?
Yeah, 10 yuan, not bad.
They cut the top of it. She squirted some like, I don't know, something from a pot in it. It's like a brownish colour, but they give you a straw. So it's obviously like a drink.
Ooh.
Oh, that's really nice. It's kind of like orangey, but not as like bitter or sour.
Is it smooth?
No, you got like lumps of seeds in it. So you got like little seeds in it. What's the name of this fruit? Let us know down below. It's really delicious. Is it drip? Yeah, it's dripping out of like a little hole. It's a little bit intimidating.
She did say hold it from the bottom.
Oh, might be why. You wanna try it?
Yeah. Weird.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's a little bit earthy, and there's loads of seeds in it.
Hang of orange, would you say? I don't know how else to describe it.
Yeah, like a mix between orange and apple.
Yeah, because it's not as bitter.
It's nice.
Oh, I like it.
I have no idea what it is.
They were fascinated when we were buying it. This other couple was buying it that we were spying, and then she got a picture of me with it. So.
Just sort of walking away from the beach, we just come across this university. This is Xiamen University. It's one of the best universities in China. Look at that. Imagine walking out of that when you've just graduated. Got a Luckin coffee as well. So you got a bit of everything. It's really nice, really busy as well. So obviously this is a bit of a tourist attraction.
So we've come to a temple and we got told we had to scan that. I was going to say QR code, but it isn't. You scan it with your WeChat and then it's like come out with all these bits. I think it's like a free ticket to get in. We have to do.
Yeah, I don't really.
I think we need to get the translator out and translate it. Unfortunately, it's full, so we can't go in there, and it's full for like 3 days. We might try another day. It's like free to get in, but you need to pre-book because obviously they don't want overcrowding, especially where it's Golden Week. We haven't planned beyond this now.
Yeah, we have.
Oh, have we? Where are we going next? We're next going to Art West Zone, which is where there's meant to be loads of graffiti art. You know, Ben, he loves all that. So, Ben, get the map up, let's head there. As we're making our way to the Art Street, we've come across Cat Street. So we've got like cat ornament signs, like a shop, some statues there.
Must be a famous cat.
That's a famous cat. It looks like Flea.
Flea, yeah.
Cat sleeping. Look at these artworks. But if you go inside, they've got like loads of cat ornaments. You can get key rings.
You were just saying actually that we haven't seen many cats here in Xiamen.
I haven't seen a cat.
No, we haven't seen a cat. We haven't seen a cat, but we've seen a cat street.
Oh wow! Look, the poster over there. Look, cat. Is this actually like called Cat Street or something? Loads of food stores. It's got to be like some cats somewhere, surely.
Yep, we found cats.
It's like they're waiting for a bus.
Look at him.
Oh, look at the description.
I wonder if you can like adopt them or anything, I don't know.
They're everywhere. There's one there.
It's really like a strange street. I've never seen like a street like totally like dedicated to cats. Everything's cat related. It's really weird.
We've got loads of climbing frame and everything. Oh, look, it's a big one. He's massive. Look.
Size him, look.
He's done.
That's quite cool.
It's got Tideways walking. It's got that out. How cool is that?
We're looking at it and we're like laughing, smiling at the guy. But this is just like, in China this is normal. So I don't know if me looking at him is like weird for him.
I still haven't seen like no cats in backpacks or on people's shoulders. That's what I'm waiting for. But this should be the street art street. You can see some up there. But look how busy it is. It's packed.
It's a busy street.
So everyone else has got the thought to come here, but it looks like there's loads of food markets. Minchu, literally there. Ben's not spotted it. He's spotted it now. Oh my god, this is so busy. I'll tell you what, jet lag is proper hitting me now. I'm so tired. We're like 7 hours different to the UK, and I'm just like crashing. We have no idea where this street art is, but we stumbled down the world's busiest street, I swear. Loads of little stores, food store. Don't even know how we ended up here. We're just following the crowd.
I bumped into it 20 people.
Well, stay behind me. This is what I've told him to do. If he stands behind me and follows me, he's not going to bump into people. We've seen 2 brides as well along here, so it must be a good photo spot where everyone comes. There's another bride. What's that?
Matcha ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll let him pay bar sit down. And I can watch the bride having all her pictures taken.
We have had a little pit stop. We're a little bit like tired. I've never seen so many people in one place. But I went for a matcha. So good. Reanne, how good is matcha? Yeah.
That is good.
You see, we don't get a lot of matcha in like the UK and stuff, but obviously last time we come to China, and when we went to Hong Kong as well, we was loving the matcha, and both of these were $22.50, which is obviously a little bit more expensive than Mishu, still very cheap. Just opposite us is the Twin Towers. I've spoke to my Chinese friend, and he said you've got to see the Twin Towers. It's like one of Xiamen's like most iconic buildings. Also, there's a load of weddings here, like we've seen loads. Obviously, this one right in front of us. She's got her Crocs on now, so she's had enough. She had enough of her day.
Another amazing day in Xiamen. We can feel a little bit of rain at the moment, and we're dead beat. I think that's all we're going to get out of ourselves today. We're going to head back to our place. I think Ben's going to try and get us a taxi, but we've ended up in the middle of nowhere where I don't think we can even hail a taxi. We're going to head back to our place, maybe take a nap.
Not for me.
Not for him. I could do with a nap. And then we're going to head out in the evening for Taiwan Snack Street.
Yeah, the Chinese province of Taiwan.
Stay tuned for that. We'll see you in a few hours.
Subscribe.
So I think it's going to be very flavors. I think it's going to be very flavors. What's the word? Some.
Flavoursome.
I think it's going to be very flavoursome.
He put one in front of me. He zhuzhed it up a bit. He asked, what do I want in it? Is it spicy? Well, he didn't even say that. He just said that, and I went, yeah, whatever. Another lovely.